Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Boxycharm unboxing. I'm going to be showing you guys everything that I got in my box. I am not going to be putting anything on my face because I do have makeup on and it is about 10 o'clock at night. I'm just about to go and wash everything off. So, if you guys don't know what Boxycharm is a monthly subscription for $21 and you get 4 to 5 items. It can be hair care, nail care, skin care, obviously makeup, and you can get brushes too, which is really good. I like getting brushes. So I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoy it, and also be sure to subscribe to my channel if you aren't already subscribed. I would love to have you guys a part of this little family we got going on here. It would just mean so much to me if you guys would hit the little subscribe button down below. It's red in that little corner. You can't miss it, and you can also hit that little bell button right next to it so you can get notified on when I upload. That is very important because I was hearing this thing through the grapevine that if you don't hit the little bell button, you won't really get notified when I upload. And if you're already down there to hit the subscribe, you might as well hit that little bell button. So let's just jump right into this video so I don't keep you guys waiting. So this is what the box looks like opened up. I'm just going to take this little card right here because, oh, this is different. Normally, they go and give us a card. I just have this lying around. The card that they give us is like this. I don't know why I have this lying around, but I did. It looks like this. But now this is like a little pamphlet. It's really cool. And I guess the theme of the month is called eye candy. And I really like that. But it shows everything that you got, just like that. And it's, I don't know why there's a 2 at the corner, but that might mean variation too. You know, who knows. But it shows everything that I got, pictures and everything. So that's really cute. So I'm just going to pull out the first item, which is the, here, I'm just going to set this box on the side, which is the Pores No More, this Dr. Brand's Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner. Pore Purifying Mask. And it's supposed to, let me see. Okay, so this retails for $47. This retails for $47 and you get 1 ounce. Mother of pearl, that's expensive. So it says this is the award-winning pore refining mask. This is an extraction specialist. This mask is an extraction specialist, unclogging and tightening the look of pores and reducing excess oil from the skin surface. And this is Angela's fave. Okay, so I know that the Pore Refining Exfoliator, I feel like it did make my pores, I don't think it did anything special to my pores. I'm just going to be honest with you. I don't see it do anything special. It did exfoliate. It did do what it had to do. But I also think it clogged my pores a little bit. Like, I always had little bumps. Now, that could have been me having a reaction to it for all we knew. But my skin routine stayed the same, and that was the only thing that I added into the mix. So I'm going to see how this does. I'm going to test it out, and if it does the job really, really well, I'll use it maybe 2 more times, and then I'm going to save it for like the week of the wedding. That way my face is nice and clean, no pores. That would be really nice, really, really nice. But I also have a acne exfoliator that really does work. I just forgot to use it. That's why I'm kind of breaking out right now because of pure laziness. You know, it happens. But yeah, this, I just can't believe how expensive this is. This is ridiculously expensive. Holy shit. $47 for 1 ounce. Like, you gotta be kidding me. What do you think we are? What did they think? Money grows on trees? They better, this little thing better be buying me a diamond, like a nice pretty little ring on my birthday this month. So I just want to clarify, I was talking about the Pore Refining mask about buying me a nice pretty ring for my birthday, not my fiance. Sometimes I slur my words, or I mumble, or I say the wrong word and I really mean another word, so I'm talking about the mask, not my fiance. Okay, just throwing it out there. So the next thing that we have is the Tarte Tarteist Pro Glow Liquid Highlighter. It says, glow like a goddess with this creamy highlighter that builds from sheer to intense. That builds from sheer to intense. ultra concentrated pigments and pearls that are suspended in a hybrid gel, oil-free formula that you can mix with your liquid foundation or wear alone for naturally lit luminosity. Infused with rose water, that it slips softly onto skin. That sounds really wrong in so many ways. Keeps moisture in with tapered, squeezable packaging to put the highlight exactly where you want it. Okay, Tarte. This retails for $29, and you get 15.9 grams. That's not even an ounce, and that's $29. This is Joelle's fave. Now let's see what color I got. I got Exposed. So I'm gonna go on swatches for you guys. You know, why not? Get it out. Come on. Okay, so far the packaging, it just looks like lip gloss. If I didn't know any better, I'd probably be like sitting there and be like, ooh, if I didn't know any better. Okay, so let's come out. I hope they give me a good shade. Okay, so this shade, that is what it looks like sheared out, which is not really, it's not really like a tint to it, honestly. It just looks like just lots of shine, to be quite honest, and it does dry down. Like, I can't, the glitters go everywhere, but it does dry down to where it's not like oily or slick. I actually really do like that. That would be really nice. I probably wouldn't use this as a highlighter. I'd probably use this as like a shoulder highlight in the summertime. As I've probably mentioned before, I love wearing dresses. Those are my favorite, or skirts, or just whatever. I like that kind of stuff. So this would be nice to put like on my shoulders, my arms, my décolleté, or whatever. This would be really nice and handy. And I do think it's not even a shade. It's just sparkles. So that's good. Like, it looked like it was a little too dark, and then when I blended it out, it seemed to just melt right into the skin. There wasn't really like a color behind it. It just looked like sparkles, in all honesty. So we'll see. I feel like this will be really good on the body, so I'm kind of excited to try this out. Okay, so the next thing that I have is the Addis. I don't know how you even pronounce that. It's a luxury, creamy, long-wearing liquid lipstick that provides a dazzling, full coverage of a lipstick with ease of a wand applicator. Okay, I think we know that. Made with the advanced polymers and intense pigment with long-lasting, you already said that, brilliant color with an intense shine and a single sweep. Cruelty-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, EU compliant. Does anyone know what that means? And this retails for $24, and this is Debbie's fave. I'd like to know who these people are. Are they supermodels? Are they just random boxy babes? I have no idea who these people are. Never seen them in my life. So this is what they look like. They're very beautiful. I mean, I'd like to look like that on a regular basis. But yeah, so I'm going to go and swatch this color for you. On camera, it looks more brown, but it actually is a very beautiful muted rose. It's like a very muted rose, I would have to say. And it smells like buttercream. Like, I just want to eat buttercream, like, when I smell this. But that's what it looks like. It looks a lot more warmer and more brown on camera. It is actually not brown. It's just like a dusty rose. I may be giving this to my mom. It's kind of funny. My mom has Boxycharm. And my mom's obviously not my age. She's not old. I'm saying my mom's not old. And my mom's young. So it was just kind of funny to see her getting the purple palette with all those weird neon pink and purple. I don't remember what the palette was called. Something about sunshine. I don't remember. But she got that. And then she got like a blood red kind of lipstick, and I'm just sitting there like, okay, Mom, I don't see you really wearing that. If you want to trade, I'll trade. This is more up your alley. Like, I don't care if she wants to trade or she likes it. It's whatever. But I'm always willing to trade with her, or my best friend if she doesn't like it and I like it. I'm willing to trade, because I did last time. But yeah, that's the color. I will give it a go. I'm not really into creamy lipsticks, but I think it's pretty. I mean, I think this would look really good if I wore it with like Tartelette Toasted Palette would be a really nice one because it does have a lot of warmth on it. Or if I wore it with, oh, come on, get off my hand. Or if I wore this with my Milani matte eyeshadow palette, the 12 or something, whatever it is. If I wore this with it, that would also look really, really nice. I don't see myself wearing this on a windy day because my hair's gonna get in it, and my hair is like silvery, and you'll probably see it if I got my hair. Not good. Okay, so the next thing that we have is called the Brow Gel. The Brow Gal. The Brow Gal? What? Yeah. It's called the Brow Gal, and it's by Tanya Crooks. Right? That's whose name's on it. I've got like no idea. It's like right there it says Tanya Crooks. No idea who that is. It's supposed to be a tinted eyebrow gel with microfibers to achieve a natural hair look. Perfect for the customer who wants a quick but natural to fill in their brows. Now, this retails for $22 and you get about, let's see, I just saw it not too long ago. You get 0.113 ounces. That doesn't seem like that much. This is $22. Oh, I didn't know if I told you, but the liquid lipstick is $24. And this one right here is Barbie's favorite. Now, if you guys are noticing a trend, a lot of these products, you already, just one product alone, you already pay for the whole box. And a lot of the times, your boxes pretty much, are more, they're usually around the worth of $100 or maybe sometimes more. So that is always a good thing if you guys are looking into, sorry, I'm just trying to look for something I was going to show you guys. It's on the floor. Hold on. Okay, so I just went to go and pick up my Essence Make Me Brown Mascara. This one is 0.12 fluid ounces. Which I don't know if you get more in that or, I don't know. No clue. But anyways, I'm going to go and maybe do a video of comparing these two. Now, I won't use them alone. I'm probably going to put like a little pencil behind my brows and then fill it in and see how it looks. Because I think I've fallen in love with this thing again, of course. So, you know, we'll just see how it goes. Now, normally I like to use this. I'll fill it in and then I'll put this in there to kind of help it out. But we'll see how this goes. I may use it in a Bridal Madness Monday or something like that. I'll see how that goes. That's my idea of using my Milani palette that I got, the Milani Most Loved Mattes. I plan on using like a bridal video with this. I'm actually testing it out now. So yeah, I'll probably use it when I use this. That way I can incorporate other stuff that I got from the box with it to make it like Boxycharm and Bridal Madness Monday. Okay, so the last thing that I got is the ColourPop Golden State of Mind eyeshadow palette. It says this is a highly pigmented shadow that applies evenly and feels like ultra velvet. I can't talk. It feels like ultra velvety and silky. This long-wearing formula contains a unique combination of soft powder which adheres easily to the eyes and gives a soft focus effect and blends smoothly and evenly. This retails for $26 and this is Valentina's favorite. So I kind of get a little peek at the palette because I saw the palettes that I got that they were going to give us and I was just like, I hope to God it's not the semi-precious. I was praying about it that I didn't get it, so I'm really happy that my prayers were answered. I really did not want that palette. I just didn't like it. So I got this one, and this one is pretty much a whole palette of shimmers. Like, it's beautiful. I have to say, I was kind of, as soon as I saw it was like all shimmers, when I finally realized it, I'm just like, oh, great. Why did I want this? But these colors on a whole other, I'm just going to swatch one, I think. I'm going to go and swatch this one. This is Girlfriend. It's a very beautiful, ooh, it's like a white, but it's like a pinky duochrome kind of white. So I'll swatch it for you guys. It's that right There you go. There it is. Isn't that stunning? So yeah, I am excited to look forward to this and testing it out. Now, my mom got the one, it has like 12 shades. So if she did want this palette and if she played around with the other ones, I am so willing to give her this palette. I do feel like this palette would be very beginner friendly just because she doesn't really know what she's doing. She told me some of the things that she's done with her eyeshadow and I'm just like, I remember she told me, she's like, oh, well, you know, when I'm in a hurry, I just put the blush on my eyelid. I'm like, do you use eyeshadow primer? She's like, no. I'm like, I'm just like, mother. Oh, boy. Got a lot to teach her. Anyways, I thought this, honestly, this is like the perfect palette for me. I love shimmer shades. I love these shades. These shades are up my alley. You have all these beautiful, you got a copper, you have a nice, well, I don't know if I consider that copper. I mean, it's like a pinky rose gold. You got your champagne, you got your nice duochrome, you got a blue, you got your plain silvers, you got your taupes, you got lots of pinky shades, you got your bronze and other bronzes. You just got so many beautiful shades. Like, I'm not even kidding you. When I saw this palette, I'm just like, this is a Jenny palette. Like, you know, when you see these shades, you know that this is my palette. Now, I do wish it was like it had some mattes in it, because I'm kind of sick of the idea of Boxycharm kind of giving us just all, you know, all shimmery palettes. It's just kind of like, if I'm going to want a palette, I want it to be mixed or all matte or something, because I don't like the idea of having to carry around a separate palette for this. Now, the reason why I was willing to give this to my mom was because for her, I feel like it'd be really easy for her to just go on her finger, boop, 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 ready for work, and it looks beautiful. You know, it looks like she put more effort into it than what she really did. So, you know, I'm a very generous daughter. At least I think I am. You know, I always try. If she gets something she doesn't like, and I know I got something that I'm willing to give up or something like that, I'm always going to try to say, hey, you want it, or, you know what I mean? I'm going to try to do that because, I don't know, that's just who I am, you know? But if I like it, probably have a hard time giving it up. I do like it, but I'm more willing to give this to my mom because she's a beginner, and I feel like if she just had something quick and easy, no having to worry about masks being blended or whatever, all she needs is like a little bit of concealer to put on the lid, and then just put your finger in, boop, 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 and maybe put something in lighter on the lid. I think that would be really, really great. So, yeah. So I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up, whoops, if you enjoy it. And also be sure to subscribe. I would love to have you guys a part of this little family we got going on here. We are almost to 200. I cannot believe that. I know I've said that in like one of my other videos, but I really can't believe that I'm almost at 200 subscribers. I never thought in my wildest dreams, like, I'll probably have to do a separate video of, you know, just me wanting to do a channel in general, because for 2 years I wanted to do a YouTube channel about makeup, and this was when I first started liking makeup. I was like, I want to do a YouTube channel, and it took me this long to finally do it. So you guys, I can't thank you guys enough for supporting me and watching my videos and commenting and liking and just all that kind of stuff. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.